Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So the developers of the Pinnacle are hosting a conference in Montego Bay to deal with luxury developments in Jamaica. So the the Pinnacle is the tallest building in Jamaica, and the development involves building 4 towers at 28 floors. They will be the 4 tallest buildings in Jamaica as well as the Caribbean. This development, the Pinnacle, has basically changed the landscape in Montego Bay and Jamaica. So the developers of the Pinnacle Montego Bay, a US 450 million luxury residential lifestyle estate in Reading, St. James, are set to host an exclusive conference offering insights into the future of luxury real estate in Jamaica. Headline: Branded Residences Unlocking Jamaica's Real Estate Potential. The conference will feature leading local and international experts. So, we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this conference and the luxury housing market in Jamaica. We're actually driving through downtown Kingston today. We will give you guys an update on the Pinnacle later this week. The developers of the Pinnacle Montego Bay's the Branded Residences Conference on we found the right article now. The Pinnacle Montego Bay, a US 450 million luxury residential estate in Montego Bay, represents a transformative development in Jamaica's real estate sector. Spearheaded by LCH Developments, this project embodies the vision of elevating Jamaica's status beyond a world-class tourism destination to a pioneer in luxury living and branded residences. Set against the backdrop of Montego Bay's scenic coastline, the Pinnacle combines opulent design, modern amenities, and sustainable practices to attract a discerning global clientele. The estate underscores Jamaica's potential as a hub for upscale real estate ventures, fostering local economic growth and placing the country on the map for luxury residential investments. In line with this vision, the upcoming conference, titled Branded Residences Unlocking Jamaica's Real Estate Potential, offers an exclusive forum for exploring the evolving landscape of luxury real estate in Jamaica. Scheduled for December 4, 2024 at the Montego Bay Convention Center, the event is poised to bring together leading local and international experts, government officials, and stakeholders to discuss key themes such as the branded residences concept, market trends, and investment opportunities. Organized by LCH Developments, the conference aligns with their mission to redefine luxury living in the Caribbean. CEO Yangston Lee emphasizes the event's role in solidifying Jamaica's global image as a leader in luxury real estate. According to Lee, this collaborative platform seeks to chart a course for the industry by fostering dialogue, presenting data-driven insights, and establishing connections among industry pioneers. A highlight of the event is the keynote presentation by Edmund Bartlett, Jamaica's Minister of Tourism, titled Charting the Course, Jamaica's Luxury Real Estate Renaissance. His address will shed light on the intersection of tourism and real estate, showcasing how investments in high-end properties can further Jamaica's economic and cultural growth. Branded residences, a relatively new concept in Jamaica, integrate luxury accommodations with globally recognized brands, offering residents unmatched lifestyle experiences. These developments are poised to attract both international investors and high net worth individuals, creating a ripple effect of economic benefits from job creation to foreign exchange inflows. The Pinnacle and the Branded Residences Conference exemplify Jamaica's forward-thinking approach to development, blending its natural allure with innovative real estate solutions. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.